Good day, Mom and Sir in Hong Kong. I'm Jenny Sinoha, 35 years old, single mother with two children, aged 5 and 11 years old. I'm high school graduate. My first previous job was in Singapore for 7 years and 5 months. I'm taking care of kids aged 18 months old and 4 years old. I'm taking them to school and fetching her to school. I also do household chores like washing, ironing, cooking, marketing, gardening, and also I'm taking care of a dog and a cat. My second previous job was in Hong Kong, 1 year and 5 months. I'm taking care of a kid age 2 years old. I'll do household chores just like washing, ironing, cooking, marketing. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I will consider your family as mine. I will continue working with you, not just 2 years, but in a long term and until you want me as your helper. Thank you, Mom and sir. Have a good day.